Artificial intelligence, AI, is a multidisciplinary field that encompasses the development of intelligent machines capable of performing tasks that traditionally required human intelligence. AI aims to create systems that can perceive, reason, learn, and interact with their environment in a manner similar to humans. Perception. AI systems use sensors and data inputs to perceive and interpret the world around them. For example, computer vision enables machines to analyze and understand visual information, while speech recognition allows them to understand and process spoken language. Reasoning. AI systems employ algorithms and logical reasoning to make decisions and solve problems. They use rules, heuristics, and logical inference to process information and arrive at conclusions. Expert systems, for instance, utilize a knowledge base and rules to provide expert-level advice or solutions in specific domains. Learning. Machine learning is a key aspect of AI that focuses on enabling systems to learn from data and improve their performance over time. It involves training algorithms with labeled examples, known as supervised learning, or allowing algorithms to explore and discover patterns on their own, known as unsupervised learning. Reinforcement learning is another approach where algorithms learn through trial and error by receiving feedback or rewards for their actions. Machine learning techniques, such as neural networks, decision trees, and support vector machines, enable AI systems to recognize patterns, make predictions, classify data, and detect anomalies. Deep learning, a subfield of machine learning, utilizes artificial neural networks with multiple layers to process complex data and achieve high levels of accuracy in tasks like image recognition and natural language processing. Natural language processing, NLP focuses on enabling machines to understand, interpret, and generate human language. It involves tasks such as language understanding, sentiment analysis, machine translation, and text generation. NLP algorithms process text or speech inputs and extract meaningful information to facilitate communication between humans and machines. AI in practice. AI technologies are being applied across various domains. In healthcare, AI assists in medical diagnosis, drug discovery, and personalized treatment recommendations. In transportation, AI powers self-driving cars and improves traffic management. AI is also used in finance for fraud detection, algorithmic trading, and risk assessment. Ethical considerations. AI raises important ethical considerations, including privacy, bias, transparency, and accountability. It is crucial to ensure that AI systems are developed and deployed in a manner that respects ethical principles, safeguards personal information, and avoids discriminatory outcomes. The field of AI continues to advance rapidly, driven by ongoing research, technological advancements, and increased computational power. As AI evolves, it has the potential to revolutionize industries, improve efficiency, enhance decision-making, and provide new opportunities for innovation and growth.